Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So today for a change, I am going to take up the abundance cards, not only to see how your day is today, but also how the abundance or the finances are going to be for you for this week. And yes, today's color, what you should wear, I would suggest today go by the color yellow, wear the color yellow, and today if possible chant Om Namah Shivaya 108 times. And if you in the morning have bath with rose water, and also if you get time, go to some temple and donate some money for feeding the poor and come. That will bring in some beautiful changes in your life. And also, if possible, feed a stray dog, because when you feed a stray dog at least once a week, blessings of Lord Bhairavar is going to be there with you, and it's going to change a lot of things in your life. So let's see how it is in terms of abundance, clean and energy food. Now this card comes, that you need to work on your food, because you're already having good vibrations around you, but also at the same time you need to work on your eating habits. But let's pick up 2-3 cards more, and then we will get an insight on how the finances are going to be. Bountiful nature, so clean energy food, bountiful nature, organize for success. So the main thing which the cards are saying is you need to organize, because that's the end thing which has come. So that's the reason I'm saying. But let's see what all the cards are saying together. Now basically the clean energy food can also mean that your body's vibrations need to become more higher, so you need to work on your health. At the same time, eat foods will keep you protected, will keep you healthy, and will remove toxins. So try to come out of the circle. Sometimes removing of toxins is needed if our root chakra is blocked, so maybe that is also one reason where the nature is saying that work on removing the toxins, because if the toxins are removed, then what happens is your root chakra gets cleansed, and in turn you can attract the abundance that you need. And at the same time, bountiful nature, for me, bountiful nature is basically to be grounded, to set our priorities, and to work on what we need to work, so that we can attain the success, or we can get the desired profits. But at the same time, bountiful nature can also mean take a small break and go out in the nature, spend some time with the universe, and the universe will give you the desired rest, and it will refresh you, and you will be able to come back and work more strongly. But somewhere I feel organize, plan, see what is needed, and spend time on it. At the same time, take the desired breaks, but spend more time on organizing, because the end card says organize. So when you mean organize, somewhere you need to plan your finances, you need to plan your investments. This week, if you're planning to invest, check on all the aspects that are needed to be checked. If it is needed, delay your investments. Pay attention to what is happening in your finances, from where profit is coming, from where profit is not coming, and try to take it up as a personal task and work towards it. So this was for this week. I already told you what color you can wear and what you can do. Let us see overall how is your day today, because as I said, okay, that's a beautiful card. If there is some help you need, so today God is saying that He is there to give you the help. It is just that you need to ask Him. So today, I think overall, if financially also you are worried, then ask the divine, and the divine is going to give you the desired help, and you will be able to achieve whatever financial issues you are having. Come out of it and achieve success in it. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.